Welcome to the Staycation channel. Today, we're reviewing Conrad Centennial Singapore, a part of Hilton Worldwide Holdings Inc. Conrad is renowned for its timeless design, impeccable service, and authentic local experiences offered at captivating urban and resort destinations worldwide. The Executive King boasts a living area of 40 square meters and has a king-sized bed complete with 13 types of pillows from Conrad's pillow menu. The wardrobe is equipped with bathrobes, an umbrella, an ironing board, a safe, and slippers. The mini pantry area features an espresso machine, glassware for your afternoon coffee or tea, and a fully stocked fridge. The executive room provides two distinct views, one overlooking the Esplanade and the other facing the Singapore Flyer. In the bathroom, you'll find that both the toilet and the shower are segregated. The shower area boasts a refreshing rain shower, an indulgent, generously sized bathtub, and an elegant double vanity sink. The spacious swimming pool offers views of the iconic Singapore Flyer. The Executive King guests have access to the 31st floor Executive Lounge, which offers daily breakfast, afternoon tea, and evening cocktails with hors d'oeuvre. Well, that's all for now. Please like and subscribe if you like the video and comment on which hotel you'd like us to review next.